Extras. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a sort of smeary blurry effect using the path blur feature. It's a new feature of Photoshop CC 2014 in the blur gallery. Okay, first thing to do, just go to filter and blur gallery, path blur. Okay, once you're in that, comes up with a pin initially. I want to get rid of that. I'm just going to get rid of that just there. Removes all pins, and also I'm going to deselect the preview. I don't want to, because what I'm going to do is add quite a few pins. So I'm going to now just quickly add a pin, a very small pin. Just going to rotate that around, double click, so you can actually add more than one point, so pin. So I'm just going to turn that around, double click, click, and double click to finish that. Also, you can modify the speed. They're all independent, so you can actually modify the speed in different places. So I'm just going to create another couple with that new speed. I'm just going to cover, of course you could cover the entire image in different directions. So you can see some are pointing that way, some are pointing the other way, some up, down, maybe slightly there, just to create some variation. And okay, I think that's enough, but you could of course create 10, 20, 30 different, depending what type of effect. Of course you can position it in different positions to create different effects. Now click OK, and of course that's going to take a little bit longer than having just a single pin, but it's not too bad. And you think that doesn't seem to do much first time, but apply it again, filter blur gallery again, and it actually then creates the smeary effect, which is odd. Does it twice. So once it's actually processed that, you will find that it does eventually finish when it's worked its process, and there you have it. It's actually got a nice smeary, sort of blurry, near enough a bit like some of the effects you could create with the sadly now gone with Photoshop CC 2014 oil paint filter. So anyway, that's a quick use for the path blur, and obviously you could create vast numbers of different. One thing that's sad that's not there is ability to actually save the pins. That would be a nice feature in Photoshop maybe in the future. Anyway, hope you found this of interest.